Every time you record with the free version of Bandicam, you have this watermark on top of your videos. Today, I'll show you how you can get rid of it for free without paying for the full version. Now, have in mind that this method is not 100% legal. In fact, it's 110% legal, as no cracking software is required, and you still fully comply with the license agreement. Trust me, I read it. It was very boring. So, what you want to do is click on this drop down and choose to select a recording area. Then you're gonna draw a rectangle, click on the resolution, and then click on custom size. Input your resolution, but in the second field, input about 70 to 80 pixels more than what your height is. For example, mine is 1280 by 1024, but I'll input 1100 instead. Click on OK, and then, with the arrows on your keyboard, move the rectangle higher up, like above the beginning of your screen. As you can see, there is this bottom line of the rectangle that will appear. You want it to be just below the bottom of the screen. And then, you can start the recording. Do note that the button to stop the recording will be out of reach, so you'll need to use F12 or something to stop the recording. Also, you will still be limited to 10 minutes. When we open the recording, we can see that the Bandicam watermark is actually above the video itself. Now you just have to crop the video and you're done. In fact, here I've cut off the lower parts a little. Ideally, this is what you want to achieve. The value I'm pointing at should be around -50. If this was not what you were looking for, well, do get a video editor. It's 100% free with the added trust of a large corporation. Thanks for watching the video. I hope I helped you, and I will see you in the future. I'm sure about that.